USB-C connector plugs into USB-C ports. 24 amp high-speed charge to power up fast. USB port fits your micro USB cable. Tangle-resistant braided nylon avoids getting tied into knots, has 100+ lb pull strength. Includes OtterBox limited lifetime warranty, see website for details. OtterBox USB-A to USB-C cable is designed for rugged, long-term use. It features an extended strain relief at that notorious weak spot where the cable and connector attach. It's 3 meters long, charges at 3.0 amps, and its braided nylon avoids tangling itself into knots. Upgrade your charging experience with the cable that's made to last. USB-C connects with Type-C devices. Rugged 3 meter gives you room to stretch out. 3.0 amp high-speed charge to power up fast. Metal housing and connectors for lasting durability, made of anodized aluminum. Extended strain relief protects against breaking, pass 10K plus flex test. Tangle-resistant braided nylon avoids getting tied into knots, has 100+ lb pull strength. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent, sturdy cable worth its price. Extremely solid cable. I've always just used the cables that come with my phone, but the length and sturdiness of this one has proven to be worth its price. The jackets that reinforce the connection, the point where cables usually fray and give out, is especially strong, and will probably last as long as you will want it.